Never have I felt that with a Tesla. Oh, yo! What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe, and as the title says, I will be trying out this Tesla Model S 85D, P85D, the old school electric car. When it comes to technology, something this old, this is archaic. Still a really interesting car. You could pick one up for less than $20,000 depending on the mileage and whatnot. This is a lot of car for the money.
And one of the things that I realized is that
and this is the owner of this Tesla Model S P85. What does the 85 stand for?
I think it's 85 kilowatt.
That seems very low.
That seems very low, yeah. Like low testosterone too, but I mean.
How much power is this supposedly making?
About 470, 500.
Damn, so the 100D, I mean, I don't know why you didn't want the 100Ds in your life, but you know, P85 is a little, that sounds like a bootleg ethanol gas. Can't afford E85, so I'm gonna get P85, bro. It's the same shit. Oh my God, look at this. It really copied Mercedes-Benz.
It is all Mercedes, yeah.
No way.
Same thing with the window switch.
No way. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. This is literally a Mercedes-Benz.
It's, yeah, that's when they were making the cars well built. They really weren't catching too much on fire, but yeah.
All right, so is the car on right now? I always get confused with these electric cars.
The car's off until you put your foot on the brake. Now it's on.
Now I can drive.
Now you can drive. You put it in drive, yeah.
Wow. First of all, I mean, this is the same thing. It's
same,
yeah. It's I mean,
it's a big laptop. What
I like is that you have updates, so it's a little bit consistent. You know, right? The thing with cars like that is that there is no upgrades. You get the infotainment system from 2013, and you're fucked unless you upgrade an entire unit.
Or the whole car and get a Corvette.
All right. 26,000 miles. Wow, dude.
Yeah, man.
That's in kilometers. He's treating it like he's treating my Camaro, bro.
Pretty much, yeah. Not molested.
Wait, is that the... Oh, I thought it was fucking... That's the cruise control. Now the P85 is the rear-wheel drive version versus the 100, which is all-wheel drive. So let's give it a little...
Well, the D.
Oh my God. Yo. Out of all the Teslas that I've ever driven, all of them were all-wheel drive. I've never had that.
Correct. And that's
I've never had.
On.
That's with traction control on.
Yeah.
Holy shit. 1, 2. Oh my God, yo! Dude, he did not stop. Okay, yeah, of course, there's the EV handling. Feels like a massive boat. So this is part of the generation of Teslas that I would say up until like the 80 miles per hour, it's where the major kick happens, and then afterwards it just fucking dies. Yeah, very, very contrasting difference from the new Model S's, which basically hold their power and their torque all the way to like the 150s, honestly. It's insane how much technology has changed.
Everybody wants to get the all-wheel drives, and they do have obviously faster 0 to 60 times.
Yeah, which is the only flex that these cars have, honestly. Aside from being like incredibly practical with some things, you're telling me that one of the reasons why you actually are getting rid of it is because it's just not practical to just charge this thing for the miles that you put on it.
Yeah, it's just too much of an inconvenience. So it's all good. I'm good at my job. I find buyers, I find sellers. So,
but then literally, oh, bro. Wow. I'm definitely taking this in my ZL1, bro.
I mean, it's fun.
Yeah, no, it's definitely a fun one-trick pony, but
it's a cute way to have fun, yeah.
I actually thought that P85 meant that you could do 85 launches on a single charge. Do you think that that's accurate?
No.
No? Less?
A lot less, yeah.
Ain't no way. We got adjustable coilovers and shit. Damn. No, Elon, dude. Go. See what he's gonna do. Bro, it's so crazy. I still can't believe that I'm doing that.
Yeah, it's called overheating.
Oh yeah.
It's called you driving it like it should be driven.
Oh my dude. Oh my yo. That's pretty insane. Like bro, I'm telling you, like that is, guys.
Still about it.
Yeah,
Still
yeah.
about it.
No, but I kind of slightly. Wow, but dude, that's insane. All right, guys. So we've been spending about 5 minutes on the highway, and really not much has really changed, other than the fact that it's a really comfortable car if you drive it like a abuelita. Buzz. Oh, dude, I hear an exhaust. Oh no, it's the wind. Oh my god. Yo, guys, this is the first time I slid a Tesla, bro.
Yeah, he was ready. He was fucking ready to go.
Look. Excuse me. Thank you very much. That's so insane, dude. I'm gonna do a... Ooh. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck was that? Yo, that was the most struggling slide I've ever done.
Me? That could not have been me, officer. I swear.
Dude, the shit was like dying. He's like, bro, no, stop.
I was like, what happened to my last owner?
Yeah. What the fuck? Yo! This thing is so like... Bro, he like cuts loose and then stops.
Right.
Make it right? Yeah. Right here.
Not like the like.
Bro, it cuts loose and then
Yeah,
it like
nice
locks up
for you.
and then it like lets me do it and then, bro. Right again?
I'll make it go on the ramp right here.
You smell that?
Yeah.
Nice tires. Oh yeah, no, this is really nice. And then it straights off, right?
Yep.
The fact that it literally catches itself, loosens up, catches itself, it's like, dude, what do you want? Are you gonna break traction completely? Because I have traction control off. That's genuinely so funny. I have a massive headache because I feel like,
Fuck, you have a massive headache.
bro, because I don't know, the fact that it's like silent and it's like, it's rough. Bro, it's not a smooth slide. Like my ZL1, it's smooth. It's smooth. This is like, you slide and then it catches and then it like,
I know I've done it before with this car, yeah.
but you know what I mean? Like, it's not a smooth slide, so
Wow.
it's definitely not the conventional drift car or conventional drifting experience, but it's still fun. It's still fun regardless. And 140, by the way, 140 miles. So that's about 30 minutes of your life that you just wasted.
Burn away, yeah.
Okay, and what does Hellcat Johnny here want? Not even, bro.
Not even, that's an S16, man.
You know what I noticed, and the camera might not be able to pick it up, guys, but I don't really hear too much of the dog whistle sound. Is that only for like the Model 3? You know what I mean, like the dog whistle? Like when you excite, it goes...
I mean, you could hear a little bit on this one, but it's more so on the 3s and Ys, yeah.
Now we're gonna give the master the keys to the Model S. We're gonna see how it looks like from the outside to slide. A Model S P85D, bro. That's hysterical. What the fuck? Yo, there's no way. Yo. Yo,
There's no way.
Bro, don't do that anymore.
Why not?
Look.
Oh,
No, look.
what?
Look, let me show you. How much tire do you have on this thing?
Maybe
Like-
a good tire, yeah.
You sure?
That was a good slide, though.
It was a good slide, but dude, what is that? Hey man, what you gonna do right now, man?
Look at that shit. Yeah,
Yo! Nah, he clean with it. Look.
you gotta send me that clip.
I will. I will. There's no way. You. Yo, this guy's a menace. Menace. Ah, dude, you're good. Oh, yeah. No, I mean, you can kind of see the line from the tread, but you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
It's not terrible. Don't matter no more. Oh, that's hilarious. No, and look at the key, guys. I didn't get to show the key earlier, guys, but this is an actual key fob. So yeah, guys, that was a pretty fun night drive. All right, guys, so that was a fun POV night drive with a 2013 P85 Model S. Who says you can't have fun and slide a 13-year-old Tesla Model S toaster? Yeah, it's an interesting daily driver for sure. And the fact that it is a rear-wheel drive, I think I'm more convinced to buy one of these than I would a P100, even though the P100 is objectively better performance-wise.
Performance-wise, yeah, obviously.
That shit was fun, bro. Damn. What?
That's the drug stash right there, man.
Oh, dude, that's awesome. No, you dead ass, I could fit in here. I literally could fit in here. Well, guys, if you enjoyed this video and found it informative and entertaining, go ahead and hit the like button. Helps out tremendously with the algorithm and puts the P85D back on top. I mean, I literally never thought that I would be driving this car. And the moment that you said, hey, I finally got one just to toy around with it, let's do something, I was like, it's not gonna be as fun, bro. It's a fucking Tesla. I've driven plenty of them, they're fun, but this is more than just a straight line monster. This is literally a slide capable. Oh my God, I could die and crash in this thing. Never have I felt that with a Tesla, never. Of course, guys, if you enjoy my content and want to see more POV drives, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. The goal for this year is 200,000 subscribers. We made it to 100,000 last year. Thank you guys so much for that. And last but not least, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Don't forget to also check out Specialty Auto Brokers as well. He's the one that was kind enough to let me abuse this car and other cars.
We just trained it to what it was supposed to be when it came out from Elon. That's it.
But yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next one.